Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit. I'm Pawan Jaswal, and in today's video, we are diving into one of the most important phases in ethical hacking and penetration testing, reconnaissance, also known as recon. Before you even touch a target or scan a port, recon helps you understand what you are dealing with. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. Let's get started. Reconnaissance is the first step in any penetration testing. It's all about gathering information about the target system, website, or organization without raising alarms. You can think of it like planning a bank heist in a movie. You study the building, the guards, the cameras, but instead of stealing money, we are helping improve cybersecurity. There are two types of recon, passive and active. Passive, where we don't touch the target directly, active, where we do interact, like scanning the servers. Let's go deeper into both. Passive recon means collecting intel without alerting the target. We don't scan the targets, we observe from the shadows. First, we use WHOIS to find domain registrar details. This gives us name, emails, and hosting info. Then we do DNS lookup to see subdomains or mail servers. We also try Google Dorking to find hidden files or open directories. Social media is gold. Sites like LinkedIn reveal employee names and job roles. Combine that with tools like the Harvester and you collect emails and usernames. Passive Recon helps us build a profile of target quietly. Now let's talk about Active Recon. Here we interact directly with the target, so there's a risk of being detected. First up, in port scanning using tools like Nmap, this shows up open port and running services like if they have SSH, HTTP, or database exposed. Next, we do service enumeration. We can use Nmap script, Nikto, or enum for Linux. And don't forget subdomain enumeration. Tools like Serverless3R, Amas, and Asset Finder help find hidden portals. All this helps identify entry points, the crack in the wall. Let's quickly summarize some of the best recon tools you can try. Nmap for port scanning, Amas for subdomain enumeration, W2Fish for domain IP info, the Harvester to find emails and username, Nikto for web server vulnerabilities, and finally Sodan for exposed device search engine. You don't need to learn all of them at once. Start with two or three and practice in a safe environment. Here's a simple recon flow. First, use WHOIS for the domain. Second, find subdomain with Amas. Third, run Nmap for open ports. Fourth, use Nikto to find web issues. Fifth, Google Doc for exposed PDF. And finally, check LinkedIn for employee info. By the end, you know what's public, what's exposed, and where the weaknesses are, and without firing a single exploit. Important reminder, never perform reconnaissance on system you don't have permission to test. Use platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, or your own lab environment. Unauthorized recon, even passive, can be illegal. And that's the wrap on reconnaissance phase in pen testing. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out future cybersecurity tutorials. Got questions or want me to cover a specific tool in action? Drop a comment below or visit openexploit.in. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and keep hacking the right way.